Alright, what's going on, guys? Jay, that drain guy. We got Logan back there. We got a bathroom sink, obviously, plugged up. That's not plugged up, I guess. So just the bathroom sink. Get Logan to hold this. So this is a pedestal sink. We hate pedestal sinks. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna try plunging it. If that don't work, we will try going down from the top. Got our little plunger here. We always want to plug the overflow. Somewhere. From the sink itself. Okay. So that's clearly not going to work. We're going to have to snake down through the top. We're going to be using the Milwaukee with the 1/4-inch cable. We got a little hook on this. This is what we use normally for the air conditioners in the condos. Got a little bit of hair on there. Still not draining great. I'm going to snake it again. Alright, now we're going to pull it out. And yes, we are using our Watson gloves. Same with the Grease Monkey. just that little bit of hair. It's definitely running better now. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna just fill this up and then we'll drain it out and test it. While we're doing that, I want to give a thank you to my channel members. We got a new one maybe a week ago, Samuel Rodriguez. Thank you very much. And same thing with Steve and John. They've been members for about 5 months now. Steve has just been Samuel has just been about a week now. So thanks a lot, guys. Milwaukee and Watson gloves. Those are the favorites today. And usually always. We go through so many Watson gloves. That's definitely what we want to see. So we're just going to put these prongs back down. Just get this a little clean, because that's what we do. Alright guys, I think we're good. I want to thank you guys for watching. If you liked the video, give it a thumbs up, leave a comment, and subscribe if you haven't. That's Logan. I'm Jay, that drain guy. Till next time, Keurig.